Day in my life as a first year college student in ADNU. Business edition. Woo! Hi, I'm Jibril Bugtong, i-first year information system, and I'm so excited dahil nailagay na rin natin yung Tahuka dito sa ADNU since we joined the event of the Ateneo Society Entrepreneurs, the Entrep Week 2025. By the way, this is my friend sa gym and also pro friend dito sa ADNU. Say to the vlog.
Hi guys!
Umayos ka.
Testingin mo, pagkababaw yan, testingin mo. Ito, tatlo.
4.
11.
Wow!
I like the sweetness, but it's not just sweet. Especially yung tapioca balls. I like na I get to do something since it's not a boring drink. It tastes good too. So I feel like this is something that could be a hit if you guys persevere with this product. I'm looking forward to where you guys go.
So much po.
Try mo yan, yung matcha. Masarap yan.
Strawberry ah.
Hindi, matcha. Masarap ang matcha.
Hindi ako nagmamatch. Shoutout po sa mga
Grabe ang bait, ah.
mga ambassador.
Wow! Kamusta Tahuka?
Try ko pala.
Ay, na-try mo pala. Hindi ba pala nakakabili? Tara dito, sino nagtanong ng name? Sino? Ito.
Sabi ko, J-I-double-L. Double L na. Sorry. Jean.
Dave, parang kasalanan mo to, Dave, ah.
Ate, peace be with you po.
Ayos. Hindi ako kumbinsido, ah.
Bawal yung plastic.
Sorry. Okay, sige.
Sabi, hindi ka nagsasabi.
Sorry da, my fault. Pasalukuy yung cut-off muna kami dahil kailangan namin bumili muna ng paper cups. Bawal pala dito yung mga plastic cups or any kinds of plastic. So bawal ka dito, Dave. Kaya ngayon, we're preparing bumili ng paper cups. Sama pala tayo, guys. Let's go! Yan naman top doon. Paper cups! Woo! Let's go! Makakapatuloy na tayo sa Tahuka. We're back in action. Meron na tayong paper cups and paper straw. Buti na lang, nakahanap kami. So, how's Tahuka?
I like yung combination niya kasi it's not too sweet. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga masyadong matamis na drinks or anything. Nalalasa mo pa yung matcha, so para sa akin, masarap.
Many positive comments. Let's go! We're here with the president ng department organization namin, si Kuya Tristan. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. How was Tahuka pala?
Joke lang. It's actually surprising kasi I really like kasi to put twist, return Filipino food into something, you know, may twist sa kanya.
may twist.
This is one good example of it. Taho, it turned into a different, you know, refreshment. I approve.
So we're here with Sir Russell. Ayan. How was Tahuka po pala?
Super sarap ng matcha, guys. Yung combination ng matcha at tao, very nagko-complement siya.
Approved by our professor. Sir, alam mo na po, sir, 98 po. Andito tayo sa classroom dahil meron pa tayong klase na STS. Anyway, this is Brent, my classmate. Nakatingin ko ng Tahuka.
Di pa.
Fake friend. Anong binili mo pala?
Matcha strawberry.
Matcha strawberry, how was it?
Okay na okay siya lalo ngayon. Ang init dito sa Savior.
Masarap. Yung nagtitinda.
How was Tahuka?
Masarap siya. Purchase siya sa 85 pesos. Favorite ko talagang blueberry. Hindi siya kulang, hindi siya binitin sa extra flavorings. Yun, masarap siya.
Sige lang kasi naman eh. Tomorrow, pero until Friday naman kasi.
Kuya, ano masasabi mo sa budol sa'yo ni Lebron?
Sige lang. Padangat ko kayo kamay.
So we're officially sold out. Time check, 5:30 p.m. Grabe, dami talaga mga bumibili. Nabuso na tayo ng gatas. Thank you so much pala sa mga bumili. I love you all. That's it for today's A Day in My Life. Thank you so much for watching. So if you want to try our Tahuka, you can buy it here sa ADNU Xavier Hall, ground floor. Until Friday kami dito, January 24, 2025. So see you guys there. Let's go. Love you all.